Samsung has shown us the concept of their first foldable device in a commercial ad in 2014. Samsung gave us the first glimpse at its first foldable phone under the Samsung Flex moniker in late 2018 at the Samsung Developers Conference. It will truly be a revolutionary device. So, it's a good time to take a look back at the leaks, rumors, and patents that may give us the possible clear idea about the device. The possible debut date will be at Mobile World Congress 2019. Samsung Mobile chief DJ Koh's previous claims in early September 2018 that the foldable device will be revealed in some way this year. The latest news is that we might get to see it within a couple of months. For those eagerly awaiting its release, we hope you have been saving since rumors started, because it's been claimed the Galaxy app could cost within the $1,850 to $2,000. What will be the name of this device actually? According to different reports, the possible names we have heard are Samsung Flex, or Galaxy app, or Galaxy X. Rumors supporting the device being called the Galaxy app include mention of the leaked model numbers. Some mobile claims the Galaxy app will be known as the SMF900U in the States, SMF900F in Europe, and SM900M in Asia. Rumors suggest a lot of different things. Let's dive into the possible information that we got about the device's specification. This device will have roll-out OLED display, measuring 0.3 mm thick and featured 10R rolling radius, with the ability to roll up like a scroll. But the prototype device revealed at SGC 2018 was confirmed to be coming with an Infinity Flex flexible display. It's also possible to have foldable display over the rolling option. Samsung showed display panels that fold outwards and inwards. Smartphone into tablet. The in-folding prototype looked like a clamshell smartphone, 4.5 or 5-inch display that will fold out into an 7.5 or 8-inch tablet. Possibly fold up into a brick shape with a covered display that could act as a phone. Multi-active window feature where 3 apps would be able to run at the same time on the display. Flexible phone screen. Flagship hardware expected especially in terms of processor, graphics, and RAM. Latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. 512GB internal storage claimed. 3000 mAh battery. Ports touch-like technology. The Samsung Flex is one of the most rumored smartphones out there. Rumors also say that this smartphone may work like a dedicated gamer machine with 2 screen options, a regular screen and a controller area. We will try our best to let you know the other details when the information will be available in future. So stay with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow our fan pages. Thank you so much.